Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding on to those United Airlines travel credits and wondering how to use them in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can make the most of your credits without any hassle. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly are United Airlines travel credits? These are essentially vouchers you receive from canceled flights, changes, or promotions, and they're a great way to save on future trips. In 2025, United has streamlined some policies, like extending expiration dates for certain credits, so it's easier than ever to redeem them. Step 1. Start by logging into your United Airlines account on their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the My Trips or Wallet section to view your available credits. Make sure to check the details, including the amount and any expiration dates. United might have updated these for 2025 based on new regulations. Step 2. Before booking, review any restrictions. Some credits are only valid for specific routes, fare classes, or during certain times of the year. This is crucial because 2025 brings potential changes, like credits being tied to sustainable travel options. Step 3. When you're ready to book your next flight, select your desired itinerary on the United website or app. During the payment process, look for the option to apply credits. It's usually under Promotions or Payment Methods tab. Enter your credit code and watch as the total cost drops. Step 4. Double-check everything before confirming. Ensure the credit has been applied correctly and that there are no surprises in the final amount. Once you're good, complete your booking and you're all set. A quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like an invalid code, reach out to United's customer service right away. They're pretty responsive. Using your credits not only saves money but also helps you plan smarter trips in 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels.